Rasengan!
And you managed all that from just one day of training, huh?
I'm not like my dad.
Thank you very much. Boruto admires you a lot. I've never seen Boruto as determined and focused as he's been lately. Well, anyway.
But I will accept him as my student. I thank you for that.
Hey, Sensei?
Yeah, and stubborn as hell, too.
No, not that. What I want to know is...
Listen, he was full of weaknesses. He was a good-for-nothing.
What does that mean?
Hey guys, you're really training hard, huh?
We're all out here training really hard! We're not going to lose! To you or to Boruto!
We're not gonna lose either.
That sounds great!
We'll be ready for you.
I just can't wait to fight against everyone that we know. We've all worked hard to get where we are. As for Mitsuki...
Samurai? Do you think about stuff like that all the time?
Chocho, take the lead this time. And Inojin, you back her up from behind.
Hey, what's up?
Incoming!
And you were so close! You'll have many rivals.
I know that Lord Gaara is the Kazekage.
He said that he's going to take part in the Chunnin exams.
I can't bend it at all! I can't be wasting my time with this kind of training!
Is it Dad coming home after such a long time that's making you so happy? What? Anyway, I'm out of here!
I'll learn all about my dad's weaknesses.
What?
I want to learn a lot from Uncle Sasuke. And then I can show it off during the Chunin exams. I'm thinking we're gonna come out on top at the Chunin exams. Mitsuki!
So it seems.
Lord Momoshiki, you're still here, huh?
That's the region Kaguya was in charge of.
I see that you're as unsociable as ever, my dear Momo. And the ones who took these tailed beasts into their bodies are known as Jinchuriki.
So they keep tailed beasts inside their bodies to amass chakra. They may be vulgar, but I do sense enormous chakra.
No matter how you slice it, they seem to be connected to all that.
Let me get this straight. To resist some kind of threat...
I'm a Jinchuriki. I have the power of 100 men, you see? Killer bee of the 8 tails.
Now, I shall take you.
Oh, yeah!
Imagine that.
I was just about to go see Naruto, but what an obstacle, yo!
I guess that we'll just have to retrieve it one by one, then. I'll send it back twice as strong.
Well, that wasn't too hard. And even more than that, she bore his children.
Huh.
But ultimately, she was stopped by her very own children who sealed her away.
Is that all you have?
I promise you that we will not dishonor your name, Father.
But on your rivals from the other villages.
Other villages won't be a problem.
Take care of them. I'll set out as soon as I've completed my duties. Yes. It's been a while. You never initiate contact. And is it only with the Eight Tails this is happening?
So anyway, I warned you. How you deal with it from here on is up to you.
I'm grateful.
How's that, huh? What? No way. Huh? No fair. Yeah, I know.
When you're in a bind, this ninja tool will come to your rescue. There's no need to worry at all.
The Chunnin exams start tomorrow.
Good luck. Do your best, big brother.
Okay, I'm out of here, you guys.
Good luck. You'll do great.
You sure look like you're ready to go.
Yeah, what happened?
It looks like everyone else is here now, too.
What's up?
Let's do our best.
Oh, those three guys all look identical.
Yeah, those guys are from the Hidden Mist Village.
They're from the Hidden Stone, the Genbu Shinobi trio. Their background and the jutsu they use are a total mystery.
Look at him. He gets so carried away.
So that's Boruto Uzumaki.
Quiet down. Looks like everyone is here. The Hidden Leaf, the Hidden Cloud, the Hidden Mist, the Hidden Stone.
Good grief. An event this important and none of them seem motivated. Are they even gonna try?
So until then, the time is all yours. Dismissed!
Okay, 2 Chunnin exam cheer burger combos, right?
Yeah, okay, sure, but Mitsuki's late. I wonder what he's doing.
Well, there are only 2 of you sitting here, but there are 3 in our group. All right, there you have it. So now that you understand, get up and get lost. I was wondering how good a ninja you were, but who would have thought you'd be such a weakling? Oh yeah, and who are you?
Boruto, why are these 3 guys... That's enough.
Well, anyway, our third member is here now. I'm sure you can find other seats.
Yeah, sure. Don't worry about it. That's just the kind of person that Shinky is.
Let's go.
Right.
Shinky from the Hidden Sand Village.
Kazekage, huh? So that's him.
I wanted to bring Kagura along, but I left him in charge of the Hidden Mist Village while I'm away.
He said that?
He's been training hard every single day so that he can become my successor. The guys from my village are all pretty strong too, you know.
That's just fine by me. Whoever I go up against, no way am I gonna lose.
Well, it is the 5 villages' first joint exam ever.
I wonder.
We need the new blood that we hope is going to emerge from these exams.
Oh, we're all here, I see. It's just about to get going.
A true or false quiz. The question will be revealed at exam venue B, 20 kilometers from here. If you get caught up and can't go further, you'll also be disqualified.
There.
Any team that's late, even by a second, will be...
As expected, this year's entrants are an elite group.
Yes, I should hope so.
This is an exam, but it's also a serious battle.
Respond to my name and manifest! Jet Black!
Let's go. Nothing much to say to losers like that.
These traps are nothing.
That was too easy. And I still had more tricks up my sleeve.
Huh. There are more than I expected.
Still, it's in the range of what we anticipated. Well,
Oh, so there actually is a true or false quiz.
Boy, they sure prepared some elaborate steps for this exam.
In Volume 5 of the Shinobi Strategist Detective Story, the following passwords appear. Moon is day.
Hey, Sarada, do you know that book?
Sort of.
What about you, Mitsuki? Why'd you ask that?
Just tell me what you think. I'll become Hokage by choosing a different path than my dad.
Thinking about it too much won't get us anywhere. So let's take a gamble, Sarada.
The answer is...
It's a pool of ink!
Mitsuki!
Right!
That question was a sham right from the start. There was never really a 5th volume at all.
So that's what he meant, huh?
So like Dad, an awkward and oblivious test.
You don't deserve to be a Chunnin. The Chunnin exams round 1 has now ended.
Oh, yeah. You'd better believe we will.
Hey, Shinky, something wrong?
No, it's nothing.
well, it seems that Boruto's team has made it through round 1.
Congratulations on passing the first round. Good luck on the next one.